quick intro here because I want to get into the meat of the video for you. So just wanted to tell you that this video is the third of this three-part series that explains my vibrant virtual platform. And today's video is going to explain to you how to navigate around the platform. So I actually hop on the platform, I take you with me, and I show you how to navigate around the platform, how to sign up, and how to get your vibrancy on through the Vibrant Living membership. So I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe down below, give me a thumbs up, make sure you comment and let me know what you think of the platform, and I will let you get to it. So without further ado, let's get to the platform. See you later. Bye. Hey everyone. So we are going to review the Vibrant Virtual Platform today. And you can get to this platform from a couple different ways. You can get here through links on my Facebook and my Instagram bios, through my website at vibrantlifesource.com. There's a button up at the top on the main page, and then also through the services page, or you can just type in the address directly, which is app.namastream.com// Vibrant Life Source. And just so you know, namastream.com is actually the company that manages the platform. And so it's 100% safe and secure, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. So once you log in, this is what you're going to see, or when you type in the address, this is what you'll see. Very simple. You can go to the home page. That's where I'll direct you first. And this is where you're going to see a welcome video, and then down at the bottom, some information about Vibrant Life Source. So from here, you can go click on the About section and see my contact information, get some more information about Vibrant Life Source and myself. Toggle down at the bottom and you can see some recommendations from some clients. And then you can go into and see the shop. Okay, you can see the current offerings, which is, you can still see my private coaching, which you can view that product. That talks about what type of private coaching offers I have that are all virtual. Okay, we'll go back, and then you can see the free resources. And so there's always going to be a description about the product, and then you can see what's included. And here you can see all of the recipes and the how-to guides in here. Now, you cannot click on any of these yet to see them because you are not logged in to the platform, but you can view and see what the offerings are. Same thing here with the Vibrant Living membership. You can see the description of it, and you can see the content that's included with it. But again, you need to sign up for the platform. Okay, so let's go back and let's do that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do a quick, all right, I'm going to agree, and then we're going to sign up. All right, so then it's going to take you here, okay, and I'm going to put in my information real quick. And I'm going to say save and continue. Okay, so now I am into the platform. Now I can go in here. I'm going to come into the free resources and let's check on this one. Come on. Okay, should be able, oh, we're going to register. It's a free product. Good, and I'm registering for that free product. Okay, so now we can come back in. There it is, and that recipe comes up. Okay, and you can go back. and you can view any of these recipes. And what'll happen is these free resources, it's going to be updated on a regular basis. So there will be, so you'll continue to see more recipes, more wellness how-to guides, and more information in here over time. Now, if we go back to the products, and that's one that shows that we purchased. Now, if we go in here, same thing, we can now purchase or subscribe to the monthly membership. So for the month of September, and I'm giving an early bird at the end of August, there is a coupon code. And that coupon code is Get Vibrant, and it'll give you 50% off. Look at that. 50% off for the month of September. Now, one thing I want to make sure that you know here, this says over here that it will be $19.50 per month and it automatically renew at that. It actually won't. So starting October 1st, or when you renew, it'll renew at the $39 a month. Okay, just so you're aware of that. But for the month of September, you get it 50% off. And then you'll go ahead and check out with your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, it will ask you to go ahead and sign up for one, and then you'll automatically be renewed. So when you go ahead and check out through PayPal, it'll direct you back here. Okay, so I'm going to log out because I want you to see what you see when you log in after you've purchased. Okay, so I'm logging in. Okay, so now I've logged in, and you can now see I've purchased the Vibrant Living membership. And now I can go right on in. I want to take this class. This gives you the details of the class. This explains a little bit about me, right? And each of the classes, before you do the class, you should read the description. It'll explain what goes on, what you can expect with the class, the length, the type, the level. I will also tell you if you need any specific equipment or anything like that. So that will be helpful. Let's see, let's go to this one here, and I can show you real quick. All right, so, and again, this one is going to give you some information about the class. No equipment needed for this class. And so you can go through here. Again, all of this library here of these pre-recorded classes in the membership, this is going to get updated every month, meaning more videos are going to be coming to that library in the months to come. And I will tell you, make sure you check back in October, because I got a little treat coming for you in October for the Vibrant Living membership. Also, when you sign up for the Vibrant Living membership, you should be getting an email chain of more information of all of the things that you get with the Vibrant Living membership. So you should make sure you check your email, because you're going to be getting some more information from me. Okay, so that pretty much gives you an overview of what to expect, of how to get onto the platform, how to maneuver, how to sign up for the Vibrant Living membership. If you are running into problems or have questions, I really do encourage you to reach out and contact me. I will leave down in the description all of my contact information and ways that you can get onto the platform. All right, everyone, please be sure to subscribe down below to my channel, offer up any comments you may have, and I will see you back here soon. And I hope you all have an amazing day. All right, everyone, I will see you soon. Take care, and see you soon. Bye-bye.